Alright, Tamar River, 30th of January 2023. Pop down to see if we can catch a fish or two for a few hours this afternoon. So the go is that Matt and I came down yesterday in his boat and we caught a couple of nice fish. I might even chuck a photo or two up now so you can see what we got yesterday. So anyway, yeah, come down today to see if I can grab a couple more of those nice whiting or anything else that sort of does come along. A little salmon broke the surface over there a minute or two ago, so there might be some salmon kicking around. There was yesterday down near the wood chips, so nothing much comes along here. Might sneak down there in a bit. Completely opposite tide today to what me and Matt had yesterday. So we'll see how this goes. It's an outgoing tide at the moment. Bottom of the tide around about 2:15. It's currently probably 1:45 or so. And yeah, I've got to be back home by 6. So we'll see how we go. Might pull a fish or two out. You never know. I saw some birds working down here before, so change of tact. Gonna come and see if we can throw a lure around and see if we can harass a salmon. So Matt and I did that yesterday too, so see if we can pull something out. And yep, there's some salmon out there too. Whoa! Okay, come off the lure then. Lure come off, should I say, and splattered blood everywhere. Oh, yummy. Oh dear, where's my rag? We'll get him sorted out. They fairly smash it when they hit it. Salmon. Lucky to get him in. That lure dropped off. That's a bit weird. Okie dokie. Yep, couldn't agree more. Nice day to be out on the water. Pity about the fish. Fishy fish, fish. Coming up to the top. What's going on here? Like a cooter or something. Might be one of those whiting. Putting up a good fight. We've got a mackerel. A mackerel. Well, and I think I had him in the gill too. So, good one. Good size. They go hard when they go to our mackerel. Check him out, let's get a closer look. Well, only fish number 3 on the board for the day. It's been a quiet day. That was a good fight. There he is. Beautiful. Off we go. Oh, there we go. Back to swim another day. The tide's coming in now, so some fish starting to arrive by the looks of things. Not sure exactly what this is. Doesn't seem to be putting up quite as big a fight as the last one. Oh, it's a flathead. Fish starting to come in. Not long before I gotta go. Anyway. As I say, they're starting to get about a bit. Now the tide's coming in. I say here in the River Tamar, fishing the outgoing tide, yeah, I wouldn't. Well, I probably really should be starting my fishing trip about now rather than finishing it. A bit windy blowing through there, but no, about to finish up for the day so I can get back in time for this evening's commitments. So yeah, a very quiet day out here today, I will say. Didn't catch two of the same fish. No, that's a lie. I caught two flathead. So a salmon and a mackerel. Yeah, what a rather slow day. But anyway, it's always fun to come out and be on the water, and there will be plenty of more opportunities. Looking forward to checking out some new places, hopefully over the next couple of journeys we go on. So let's see what happens.